How do you calculate the area of a circular sector? You calculate the area, A, of a circular sector using the formula A equals pi r squared times alpha over 360 degrees, where r is the radius and alpha is the central angle. A circular sector, or sector for short, is the area enclosed by two radii and an arc. The central angle, alpha, determines the length of the arc, and therefore the proportion of the circle the sector covers. The formula for calculating the area, A, of a sector is A equals pi r squared times alpha over 360 degrees, where pi r squared is the area of the whole circle, and alpha over 360 degrees is the fractional part of the circle spanned by the central angle. If alpha equals 90 degrees, the area of the sector equals 1/4 or 1/4 of the area of the circle, because 90 over 360 equals 1/4. If alpha equals 180 degrees, the area of the sector equals 1/2 of the area of the circle, because 180 over 360 equals 1/2. If alpha equals 360 degrees, the sector makes up the whole circle, and the area of the sector and the area of the circle would be the same. In the formula, 360 degrees over 360 degrees equals 1. Let's see what happens to the area of the sector if you increase the radius. The area increases as the radius increases. The formula also tells you this. As the radius r increases, you multiply by a bigger number. And so, the area A increases. If you keep the radius constant and increase the central angle alpha, then the area of the circular sector also increases. Let's take a look at an example. In this circle, the radius is 7, and the central angle is 50 degrees. Now, let's use the formula to calculate the area of the sector. A equals pi times r squared times alpha over 360 degrees. If you insert 3.14 for pi, 7 for r, and 50 degrees for alpha, and compute the numbers with a calculator, you get approximately 21.37. You calculate the area of a circular sector using the formula A equals pi r squared times alpha over 360 degrees, where r is the radius and alpha is the central angle.